Let's learn how you can fix microphone not working on your WhatsApp application. So first thing you want to do is to check if microphone is connected to some other device. For example, I'm using microphone right now to record this video, or you can check if microphone is connected to some Bluetooth device because that may cause microphone not working on WhatsApp. Now, if you check this and it's still not working, you can visit settings. So scroll down until you find privacy and security. Then scroll down again until you find microphone option. And here you will have to find WhatsApp application. If it's turned gray, just click on it and it will turn green, and then microphone can access the WhatsApp and you can continue to use it. One more thing you can check if you have disabled microphone on call, just unmute yourself because that also may cause microphone not working. If you done everything shown in the video and microphone is still not working, it's some problem on phone. So go to service and check it. That's it. Thanks for watching and see